Today I'm going to demonstrate how to create a pie chart. Unlike a column or line chart, a pie chart can only plot one data series. You're usually trying to distribute parts of a whole. In this example, I'm going to show the total annual number of house sales by house. The range that we need to select are not adjacent to each other. So to select non-adjacent ranges of cells, you begin by using the white cross. Click, hold, and select the first range. So I'm selecting cells A5 to A9. Hold your control key down and select F5 to F9. Use your insert ribbon, pie chart, and we'll make it a 3D pie chart. By default, your charts are embedded in the worksheet. We can move them to their own chart sheet by clicking the Design ribbon, Move Chart, New Sheet, and we'll name this Annual Sales. The chart instantly is removed from the initial worksheet and placed on its own chart sheet. We can change the title by clicking in it and typing House Sales for the year. With the chart, I'll zoom in a little bit. I want to see the whole chart. With the chart, we can, instead of having a legend at the bottom, we can remove the legend, and then to identify the slices of the pie chart, we can add data labels, and the data labels that we can add are the category names, and instead of, I'm going to put percentages. We can take clicking on the pie chart, we have every slice of the pie selected. You see the little dot in each corner of the slice. If you only want to select one slice, you then click that slice again. Notice that the sizing handles are only around that slice. We can explode that. You can click, hold, and drag it out, or you could use the panel on the right-hand side and explode. That's called exploding a slice. You're really trying to emphasize a particular slice. You can change the first angle of the slice by rotating it so many degrees. We can take the fill color of this slice and add a nice little gradient, or maybe even a picture or texture fill, and select like this granite. So you can see you can do that. We can select the data points and make them bold, and let's make them a little bit bigger, more 16 points, so you can see them a little better. And this is just typical things that you can do with a pie chart.